Welcome to Pencil Paper Pals.
Hey pals! Today we're going to learn how to draw a cute axolotl. So grab some paper and something to draw with. Let's start. Okay, so first we're going to get our pen and we're going to start with the eyes and the mouth. So we're going to draw a little smile, a little mouth down here, make him smile, followed by one circle and two circles on the other side, just like that. Now colour them in. There you've got his little eyes. Now we're going to do his head. So you're going to do a sort of a funny oval jelly bean shape like so. And you're going to come, but you're not going to complete the line. You're just going to do it to there. Then for his little finny things on his head, we're going to do 1, 2, 3 on that side. And then we're going to do 1, 2, and 3 on this side. Now for the little bumps. So we're just going to follow each one around like so. That looks great. And your bumps don't have to be perfect. Just sort of go around the outside of those little triangles you did. And you should start to see something that looks like this. Great work. Okay, now we're going to do his body. So coming from the just below these bottom ones here, we're going to come down, out, around, and then back up. It's sort of a funny curve, not quite a circle, not a rectangle, just kind of that kind of shape. Do some little hands and come down and up on the inside there. That's like his hands by his side. And then on this side, we're going to go up, around, and down. And this little arm's waving. Give him some feet. 1, 2, 3 little bumps. Other foot, 1, 2, 3 little bumps. And then last but not least is his tail. Bump, 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 all the way around like we did with the little finny things on his head. And you're done. Now you have a really cute axolotl. Now it's time to colour your axolotl. Axolotls can be pink, purple, blue, or any colour you like really. You could even add some bubbles or some hearts or some water around it. It's totally up to you. If you've enjoyed learning how to draw a cute axolotl, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more drawing lessons and comment below. What do you think we should draw next?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.